What's up, everybody? Here at Show Flooring, we are having our biggest sale ever, and it just got better. 3 great Stainmaster colors. We're dropping them to $1.49 a square foot. We've got Barnes Oak, Vernon Hickory, and Austen Oak. Take a look at this. Slapping that new price tag on there. 3 great colors. We've got a ton in stock there. This whole wall right here. Come on, we're going to change these prices live. Look, was $1.79 already a huge deal on sale? Now $1.49. This is half of what Lowe's charges. You don't want to pay retail. You don't want to pay over $3 a square foot. $1.69, already a low price. Bam, $1.49. And we've got a ton. We've been selling a lot, but we want to give you a great deal before the sale ends on March 31st. Now these are an awesome, look at that, 12 mil railer, 6 mil thick. It's got the padding attached. 3 really great colors. You know, this one's been popular as a nice light, but they got the padding attached, and we have a ton of them. We've got probably close to 100,000 square feet in stock. We started with 200, and we're churning and burning. And if you need, help on installation on anything like this, we have you covered. We've got a team of awesome installers that we've got tons of 5-star reviews, and we care about every project. We're a family-owned business. We put our heart and soul into every project. We want to help everybody find awesome, affordable flooring. So our sale ends on March 31st, so get in while you can, because these deals are not going to last.